Hi lovely, welcome. Our today's home update video is about aerating and detaching our lawn and removing mosses from it, planting flower seeds, pressure wash our driveway. The process to see the end result took months, but it was worth the wait. I'll try to link products used in this video under my description below for you. Don't forget to like and share this video and consider subscribing if you're new. Now let's get to it.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. Makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
That was it for today, lovely. I hope you enjoyed today's video and got tons of motivation. Until I see you on my next home update video, and this is Ethiopia saying goodbye.
It really makes me wonder.